Okay, so I wanted to demonstrate how I use the Aztec Secret clay. Yes, I'm gonna show you how to use it. So you do one part that and one part either water or apple cider vinegar. If you have really dry skin, I don't recommend doing apple cider vinegar. And don't use anything metal. So I'm using maybe 1 teaspoon. I can't remember what I did last time, how much I used last time, because I did it while I was in the bathtub, but I used one of these. And then, so I did my little bowl, and it's not metal, so make sure it's not metal. So I just took off my makeup, double cleanse to take off my makeup, and people really need to be taking off their makeup, because even when I cleanse people's skin, when I do facials, there's so much makeup that comes off, and they'll say, oh, I took it off. Make sure you're cleaning that makeup off. Okay, so I poured it in. So, yeah. So, I'm trying to clean as I go, put things away so I don't just leave stuff out, you know? Okay, so then I'm gonna mix it with this brush. Boom, boom. Just mixing it. And it's mixing. It's mixing pretty good, actually. There is, like, the brush isn't metal. There is metal to the top, and I got a little bit on there, but it should be fine. So just be careful with that. Then you apply it. Okay. Then, if you're really dry or have areas of really dry spots, don't use it on that area, because clay is really good for oily skin or normal skin. Crap, I dropped some. The only reason I'm like kind of crazy about it is because I have white rugs. Okay. I just wanted to clean it up again as I go. Sorry. Okay. So just apply it, and you can leave it on. I forget what it says. I think it's like 20 minutes. I usually do this when I'm in the bathtub, and I'm just gonna add like a drop of water to make it mix a little better. There we go. So there's my consistency. There we go. And you'll feel like a pulsing when it starts to dry. That's okay. I try to get the product as close to my under eyes as possible, because 1, I'm not that sensitive under my eyes, and 2, I like to use products really close to under my eyes, since it has really helped me keep my under eyes lighter. So like when I do chemical peels or masks or anything, I get it close to my under eyes. Not everybody can do that, so you have to know, like, if you're really sensitive. But I'm not that sensitive. And if I have been sensitive to something, I kind of just build up my tolerance to it. I mean, you can always do that too. Just build up your tolerance to things. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this sit. Once I put it all on, I'm gonna let it sit for 15-20 minutes. And then I'll be good, and I'll have done my mask, and then I'll take it off with my white washcloth, which is right over here. I started using only white washcloths when cleansing my face, and I haven't noticed a huge difference, but I think it is better for the skin. I use white cloth in the salon, because you can bleach them. So, and you can get the white washcloths. It's not expensive at all. You can get them at Walmart for like, it's less than $5 for a bundle. So yeah, this is, and you can add things to this clay. Like if you want to do some essential oils, but I would do this first. I actually would do this first with water, because I've done this a million. So I used to do this back in the day. It's the old school clay mask. I would do it with water first, and then do apple cider vinegar, and then if you want to play around with stuff like rose water toner, I may try that. Yeah, so this whole video has taken me like 5 minutes. I'm at 5:22, so this is quick, easy. I'm just doing it after I take off my makeup. Do this once a week, or however often you need to. Like if I was going to take a bath, I might do it before, but sometimes I just do it in the bath. It kind of is therapeutic to do this in the bath. So I'm putting more. I'll put this information also in writing when I get this video to y'all. But hope this is helpful, and let me know how you do with your mask this week.